Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Extensivo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send your vMix outputs to your OBS. How to send your vMix outputs to your OBS, and also how to send your OBS outputs to your vMix. Stay tuned, don't forget my name is Joseph Olasukomi, and this is Extensivo. Alright, so this is my vMix over here. I have two things playing, which is one over here, YouTube, and this is the second, which is the subscribe and share button. In my OBS, nothing is over here. I have the camera, which let me just delete this. So what we're going to do from vMix, let me send it to OBS. In your vMix, we're going to be using the external. We can click on this external to send the external output, or we can make sure our external output is in the output 1, this output. So let's go to our output over here. You see our output 1 is this output. So if you see your external output, you know that okay, this is an output 1, which is this output over here. All right, so make sure your output 1 is in the output, and when that is okay, you know my output is the same. I didn't make any changes, so then just not restart. Then the output external is on, and then in your OBS we can create a new scene. Let me name this scene vMix output, vMix output. Okay, then you also click on the plus icon over here and then go to your video capture device. If I name this vMix, then also enter it, you should see this, and you should say vMix video. Click on vMix video, then you should see what is going on in your vMix. Look at it over here as it's coming in, no lags, nothing. So once that is done, you can also switch your resolution type if you want custom this here. Then your ISFPS, then that's okay, and then you have its full screen over here. Let me move from studio mode so you can see what's up my vMix outputs. Then make it full screen. You can use Ctrl F or just increase it this way. Ctrl F will also work for you. So this is your vMix, your OBS outputs coming in from this to this. That's it over here. If you want your audio also, you can double tap on this vMix here over here, your settings, go down and you see capture audio only. So you can click here to use a custom audio device, and then you can select which audio you want to bring with your vMix video. I can select the vMix audio also, which is there. If you have bus A, bus B, you can also use bus A, bus B, but most times you won't have bus A, bus B. So this is the vMix audio, and then once you click on OK, this is it over here. You have this. Let me play this one with video. This one has a audio from the beginning of it, so as it plays you see it playing over here. This is audio coming in. You can see I can mute it, I can unmute it. This is audio coming in, and that is all for it. Yes, you can use the same method. Let me switch it back so the audio won't clean. I can use the same method to start your virtual camera, and then in your vMix you got to bring in a video over here. Let's say I have to bring in a picture, then I bring in a picture of this, which is my last thumbnail, and then I want to send it also to my vMix. Once you click on the add input, and then you click on your cameras, you should see your OBS audio OBS virtual camera, then you can make this and click on OK, and then you should see your OBS inside of it. So this way you're sending your vMix. Again, you're sending in your vMix outputs inside of it. Let me show you how it's done over here. Let me turn the external. You can show your vMix outputs inside your OBS, and you can send the OBS output also to your vMix interchangeably. You can also use this if you want to use a two system setup. You can send in this, make sure both systems are connected to the same LAN cable. Once both are connected to the same LAN cable, then we can also send in your virtual audio camera, and also you have to use your vMix desktop capture. If you have vMix desktop capture, okay, it should be in my all applications. So you should see something like a vMix desktop capture under vMix. Yes, so vMix desktop capture uses to send after you have connected both of them to the same network. Just on the system you are sending from, which is vMix, then on the other system, after you have also extended it, then you should also see it on the second system. Once you input it in of it in the vMix or in the OBS, you should see it. Just make sure both of them are connected to the same network, and then you're using vMix desktop capture to also capture the screen to send it. Without vMix desktop capture, you can use the NDI to screen capture, but I prefer you using vMix desktop capture. You can download it separately for this purpose, and then you should send your output from one to the other system this way. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please share, turn on notification bells. For now, I can't actually show my face in my videos for some personal reasons, but sooner or later I will increase in my quality. So thank you very much for watching once again. Don't forget, my name is Bonasi coming. See you in my next video.